How to change your zone in Instacart. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can change zone on Instacart. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser and head towards the official website of Instacart, that is instacart.com, and make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, now if you wish to change your zone or address, navigate to top right corner and next to the search bar there you will find your pin code of your location. Click on it. Now here you have to add an address. Here simply type in your pin code or the landmark. After that, from the available option, you have to select your pin code or the landmark. Now you have to enter your address details. First of all, enter your street address. Under that, you have to enter your apartment number or your floor number, which is optional, and under that enter your business name as well. So this field is also optional. You can skip both of these as well if you want to. Under that, you have to enter your zip code. Once done, simply click on save address and your address on the Instacart will be updated to your new address. And that's how you can change zone on Instacart. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.